Hey everyone, Allison here. So I've got another unboxing from Diamond Art Club. This I actually received when I was in my rental house, but haven't been able to open it until now. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh boy, 3 of them. So we got, let's see, I don't even remember which ones they were, so we shall find out. Oh, now I remember. I've been wondering where these ones were. Well, now I know where they were. So, let's see. Let's go with the smallest one first. And then, so that I might do 2 in this video. Let's see. We've all seen the boxes. We know that it's got its steps. And I don't think this one has. Yeah, this doesn't have anything. So this must be one of their older pictures. I don't know. I don't think this is one of their older pictures. In fact, I know it's not. It does. It's got kind of, I don't know if you can see it. It doesn't have the, what do you call it? The little snowflakes or whatever. I think they're snowflakes. Okie dokie. Oh. Yeah, so I ordered these when I was still in the rental. And I'm just now finding them. Alright, so we get a basic round toolkit. This one, wow, okay, so this one is a little older because it doesn't even say. So it's got your drill pen, some baggies, a couple of wax, your 3-placer, and then your basic clear boat with the spout. We'll look at the drills here in a second. Okay. Now I've seen 1 or 2 other people open this. Yeah, this is one of their older ones. Wow. Open this canvas, and it's so pretty. My daughter loves wolves, so I got this for her. Isn't that gorgeous? So they don't do this anymore. Now they have a little pamphlet, but the older ones come with one of these and one of these. And you can turn this into a sticker, which I've got, so no problem. It looks like we've got 1 special drill and 1 AB. So this one is called Dreamcatcher Wolf. special drills? Oh, it does. Oh, wow. So it does have a special drill, plus it's got an AB. So awesome. Let's look more at it. Look at those colors. Isn't that gorgeous? So let's see. The special is 4. So all of these right here will have the special drills. So that's really pretty. And then the ABs are 1s. So all throughout the dream catcher in itself. And then, let's see. And then just kind of scattered throughout the painting. So the ABs are kind of scattered and around the dream catcher. And then the special drills are right here. Yeah, right there too. That's going to be gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me pull this up. And as I always say, I absolutely love the canvas. I love how it just sparkles. But look how pretty. If my phone will focus. There we go. Looks like we got some training wheels, so hopefully they'll get covered. They're not too bad though. Looks like it's only like on the ABs. Well, on the couple on right there. I love how it sparkles though. It looks so good. And as always, super sticky. I love this though. I love how you've got the different phases of the moon. Love it, love it, love it. Just gorgeous. Oh, I cannot wait to see this worked out. My daughter is going to love this. So let's look at the drills. Oh, there's the special ones. I don't know if you can see that. That's going to be so pretty. Did I bounce y'all? I'm so sorry. Haha, the beautiful 310s. Yep, you gotta love them. Oh, and lots of 3.9s. So we've got 3 of the 939s. I love this color though. Gosh, it keep bumping y'all. That's really pretty. It's kind of a, I don't know, like a purplish wine color. Oh, look at that. 823. We got 2 of those. Those are really pretty. Really pretty blue. Oh, another pretty blue. So we got lots of different shades of blue. That is for sure. Oh, and there's that AB. Gorgeous. Look at that AB. Sparkle. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Some shades of browns and yellows. Oh, we got another 310 right here. That's a pretty blue. Oh, Okay, that is the second one that I have gotten from them that does not have a DMC on here. It's gonna make me look for the number. I'm gonna have to email them and say, okay, this is the second one that y'all have sent me without a code on it, a DMC code on it. Because I got it in one of my other boxes as well. It was like a teal green and didn't have a DMC, so I'm gonna have to find which one, you know, it goes to. Because that's twice now. Oh, intruder, intruder. So, really pretty. So, I mean, that's twice now. So, I mean, other than that, I've not had any problems with their drills. You know, but it'd be nice to, especially when you're paying that much money, you know, to get the codes on them, or you know what I mean? I don't know if that makes any sense or not, but I'm sure it's just a mishap in the printing, but still have to let them know, because that's seriously the second one I've received that has done that. Okay, look at one more time. Gorgeous. So we will put this one up. I am not going to be able to get to any of all of the ones that I'm showing y'all. Oh, I forgot to show you the schematics and ledgers. I'm not going to be able to get to until next year. So we've got the ledger on this side. And then we have the ledger on the top right. And it has the schematic. Isn't that going to be gorgeous? And then, of course, the ledger right there. So, bring you in to see the drill field. This is so nice. I love the wolf's eyes. Look at the eyes. You notice that one's brown and one's blue? Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, okay. Awesome. Alright, this has turned into almost 15 minutes, so I'm going to let this one go, and I'll just go ahead and do different openings for each one. Hey, and that just gives me more openings for y'all, right? Alright, I love you guys. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up or down, up to you. Definitely leave me a comment. I love to read them. I do try to reply back to them. I always hit the big heart button, you know, because I do read them all. I just don't reply every time. I try to. But, anyhow, yeah, hit that notification bell, though, because I am getting videos up now that, you know, I'm not sick. I'm able to get things done again and start working on the house again. I'll have to do a tour once I get it completely done. Anyhow, now I'm rambling. Squirrel! I will let you guys go. I love you all. Hit that like button, like I said, or thumbs down. And I will see you guys next time. And don't forget to always smile. Love y'all. Bye.